Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how I make 2-ingredient strawberry fudge. I made this before and it's so good. Let's get started. Alright, gonna microwave safe bowl. I put in about 350 grams of white chocolate. Now you put this in the microwave for about 30 seconds first. Give it a stir each time until it's completely melted and nice and creamy. Alright, so as you can see, that's melted. Now you add about 450 grams of strawberry flavor frosting. So this is what it looks like. You put the whole thing in. That's it. How simple is that? Then you get a good sized baking dish, and I'm also gonna leave with some cooking spray, oil, so it won't stick. And then you put the mixture straight into it. Oh man, this looks so good, smells so good. Oh, now you spread out as evenly as you can. So now you put this in the fridge for about 30 minutes to a whole hour, and they'll be ready to cut into pieces. Alright, this is set. Now you just cut them into whatever size pieces you want. As you can see, oh, beautiful. I hope you guys enjoyed my recipe for 2-ingredient strawberry fudge, as you can see. Yeah, I'm fair cutting it, so make sure you leave it in the fridge for about 30 minutes or at least an hour or so. But either way, it's still very tasty, so let's dig in. Oh, so sweet and fudgy. Oh. So thank you guys so much for watching a new recipe on my cooking channel. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I'll see you on the next Wednesday for a new recipe. Peace out.